start from Jorge Lorenzo yet again. He just hooked stuff really nicely as the light went out. And look at that, Petros's pass market. Lorenzo fights it back already into turn two. He forces.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.